That start free trial button is tempting, but setup feels overwhelming. What if you had a step-by-step roadmap? This is your ultimate Shopify launch checklist. First, define your niche and validate products. Use tools like Google Trends. Brainstorm a killer brand name and secure your domain. Sign up for Shopify's free trial. Navigate your dashboard. Set store details, currency and time zone accuracy is key. Pick a responsive theme like Mavon. Customize it. Build trust with an About Us page and policy pages. Test on mobile. Add products with stunning images and persuasive descriptions. Organize into collections like New Arrivals. Track inventory. Supercharge your store. Install apps for SEO, email marketing like Klaviyo, and customer reviews. Set up abandoned cart emails. Finalize legal pages. Activate payment gateways. Configure shipping zones and rates. Offer free shipping over $75. Test checkout, page speed, and broken links. Optimize SEO titles and meta descriptions. Connect Google Analytics. Choose your Shopify plan. Remove the password and launch. Promote via social media and email. Your dream store is open. This checklist turns overwhelm into action. Launch confidently.